Hey friends, this is Atif of your Val and welcome to the new on alchemy. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of alchemy broke out another descending triangle. By the way, we are watching on the 7 days time frame chart. And after the breakout from this descending triangle, we had a very nice pump where the price got rejected by this long-term resistance of 5 cents and dropped down at this long-term support of 3.2 cents. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now on the live chart, you can see that we are still moving at this support. By the way, this 3.2 cents has been previously breaking at a very strong resistance here for several weeks. And before that, it was breaking at the resistance here. And here in the month of January 2022, we had a very nice bounce from this support of 3.2 cents. At that time, it was breaking as support. And now, again, after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that even on the daily time frame chart so far, no candlestick is close below the support of 3.2 cents. But in case of breaking it down, we may retest the previous resistance of this descending triangle as a support as well. By the way, if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then there is another move that is in play. That is the head and shoulder pattern. And this can be the right shoulder and the head and the sorry, this is the left shoulder and the head, and this is the right shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern. But at the same time, there is also a small bullish reversal setup is in play here, and that is a Fibonacci based move. That is a bullish gardner pattern. You can see that the price then pumped here. This is the X to A leg. Then it is retraced between 0.618 to 786 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it is geared up between 0.886, 0.382 to 0.886. And by the way, this is the projection of A to B leg, and now it is dropped between 0.786 to the X leg. Uh, and in this area, so far you can see that it is retraced up to 0.959 retracement level. So it can drop up to maximum here at this level of 3 cents. And by the way, from here, this potential reversals on of this bullish setup chart, 0.786. That is approximately at 3.4 cents. But this is a very small setup on a 4-hour time frame chart. And if the pricing starts another reversal from here, then we may see that the pricing can uh, move within this area, 0.382 to 0.786. And we can expect at least a price reversal between this area from 3.9 cents to 4.4 cents. And for example, if the price and reaches there, then and again drops down, then even then this head and shoulder pattern can be in play. For example, if the price then starts another reversal from here, like this is the head and shoulder pattern. Now, if the price then starts another reversal from here, here's this target and drops down again, then overall, this can be still a valid head and shoulder pattern. But if we take a look at the RSI with the combination of this head and shoulder pattern, then you can see that RSI is still moving to the downside and forming a little low. Then if we take a look at this head and shoulder pattern, then you can see that still it is forming higher lows, like it formed this low here, next low here, another low is higher than the previous one. There is a hidden bullish divergence is also in play. Therefore, if the price then breaks down this up trend line support and forms another lower than previous low, like the RSI is doing, you can see that RSI formed this low here, another low is lower than the previous one, and the current low is lower than the previous one. And if it again drops down and forms another lower than previous low, then this hidden bullish divergence can be removed from the chart. And then we can expect that the price and can hit the target to the downside for this head and shoulder pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very massive setup that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. And that is a very big ascending triangle that alchemy has formed on the monthly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for Phantom, Sonic, previously Phantom, just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade setup I shared on 22nd of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of alchemy. And here you can see that recently after the breakout from this descending triangle, the price line rallied very well and again dropped down. And now we are testing this long-term support of 3.2 cents. At the same time, price and is also forming this head and shoulder pattern as well. And at the right shoulder, while forming this right shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern, the price and has also formed a Fibonacci based reversal, bullish reversal move. That is a bullish candle pattern. Right? If the price then starts in the reversal from this potential reversal zone and hits this sell target zone and drops again down, then still overall this head and shoulder pattern will be valid. And by the way, if we take a look at the target in case of breaking down the neckline of this inverse of this head and shoulder pattern. By the way, this can be the head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern. The neckline is slightly tilted, and for example, if the price breaks it down, I would suggest you to wait for the pricing to break down this level. I place another trend line here because recently we have also found a short-term support here that is approximately at 3 cents. Then we can expect a big drop from here. That drop can be here, approximately at 1.6 cents. That will be a really, really, very big drop there. But at the same time, we also have a hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame chart. You can see that the RSI is forming low lows, but the price is forming higher lows. Therefore, still there is a probability that we may see a price reversal from here. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that it is breaking out different patterns one after another. Recently, we broke out this wedge, and we have already hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And here we have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is still here at the top of the bed that is approximately at 10 cents. Now, if we take a look at the monthly time frame chart, then here we have the formation of a very, very huge and massive ascending triangle. The resistance of the triangle is here, somewhere between 5 to 5.2 cents. Approximately at 5.2 cents, we have this resistance. Now the pricing is once again rejected by the resistance. If the pricing tests the support of this ascending triangle, then it can test the support somewhere here, approximately at 2 cents. But it's possible that if the pricing breaks down the support of this head and shoulder pattern on this 4-hour time frame chart, then the pricing may hit this uptrend line support of this triangle, approximately at 2 cents, and the pricing will be geared up from here. And in case of breaking out this triangle, that can be a very, very big move, the target for this breakout from this triangle. That can be a quite long-term move, by the way. And that long-term target will be here. That will be approximately here at somewhere between 37 cents to 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.